Hello guys, today we are going to write a program which will get 10 numbers from user, and then program will return us how many was odd and even, and if there was negative or positive, how many there was. Okay, we are going to use for loop and if sentences. Okay, so let's do this. First of all, we are going to need first variable in number, and let's go insert number. Good. And let's say like this, and let's say sing number. Okay, and all of this we're going to insert in for loop, and let's say int e is the same 1, and e is smaller or the same 10, and e plus plus. Good, nice. We have for loop, so we are going to get 10 numbers, and now we need if sentences to get if there are odds or negative, positive, and so on. Okay, and let's say first if sentence, let's say for odd numbers, let's say for even, it's going to be easier. Okay, let's say even, and let's say number module 2 is the same 0. Then we are going to say odd, even plus plus. Okay, so we need new variable int, let's say even, it's the same 0. Good, and int odd is the same 0. Okay, we have variables for odd and even numbers. Let's say else here, so if it's not even, it's odd, and like this. Okay, wait, let's go to the next line. Delete this like this. Good, and let's say odd plus plus. Good, now we have even and odd, and we set also for positive and negative numbers. And let's say now new if sentence, if number is smaller than 0, then positive plus plus. Good, and else, wait, why is this like this? Good, and negative plus 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 like this. Good, we need new counters in positive, it's the same 0, and int negative is the same 0. Good, and that is all we need. Okay, and this like this. Good, and for the end just return, going to the screen, and let's say count, and let's say even numbers, even, yes, handle. Good, count odd numbers, and odd, handle, count positive, this positive, yes, handle, and last one, count negative numbers, let's say negative, good, and nice. We have everything we need, so let's see if this program works. It should. Okay, insert numbers. Let's say just random numbers. 4, 3, -8, 9. Oh wait, I forgot enter. -4, 3, 2, 1, 700. Okay, so let's go. Even numbers. 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And 5, okay. And odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. And positive numbers. Oh wait, we screw something. Wrong. Oh, of course. Okay. I should write here negative, so that's why program didn't work properly. So now it should, let's say 9, 5. Okay, here we go. Now it works correct. And that's it for today. So thanks for watching.